Well, hello everyone. Today I am teaching you Ombre nail art design step by step guide. Let's move to design number 1. Pale blue ombre nails with sparkly decals. This pastel blue acrylic are side for sore eyes. The lengthy extensions feature blue ombre nail and nod gradient with iridescent snowflakes decals and sapphire rhinestone aggregates. This fabulous look is perfect for special occasions and it's great alternative to burgundy nails. Let's move to design number 2, dazzling pale pink ombre nails with gold decals. This remind French ombre manicure feature a blurred gradient line and sparkly gold butterfly decals. These long yet feminine talons have a dense jelly finish. This long, delicate ombre nail would be a blast for accessorize if you are tied to stiletto nails. This is the look for you. Let's talk to style number 3, shimmery rose ombre nails with snowflakes decals. Deck the nails halls with silver snowflakes. This seasonal nail idea feature a mix of semi translucent pastel pink and shimmery silver polish. Embrace the gold weather with crystalline snowflakes decals. We suggest that you leave this indicate nail job to the professionals. Style number 4, pink and purple ombre nail with marble rose gold accents. You will be the belly of the ball in this delicate pastel pink nails. The square shaped gel extension feature a mix of purple pink and pink gradients and semi translucent rose gold marbling. The soft dreamy nail concept look exceptional against dark and olive skin tones and rose gold hair. Style number 5, reserve ombre nails with silver elements. Style number 6, this fruity shade of pink so yummy. Thank you very much for watching this.